Hello guys, this is Lily. Welcome to Cursor Group. Well, precision meets performance in the world of CNC machining. Today I'm diving into the cutting-edge work we do with the most essential materials in aerospace engineering. This is titanium.
In aerospace engineering, titanium is a game changer. It's a remarkable strength-to-weight ratio, resistance to corrosion, and ability to withstand extreme temperatures, making it the material of choice for critical components in aircraft and spacecraft. Compared to aluminum and steel, titanium offers unparalleled durability and efficiency, reducing the overall weight of the aircraft while maintaining structural integrity. At the Cursor Group, we specialize in machining titanium, a material that demands expertise and precision. Titanium's toughness is both its greatest asset and its biggest challenge. It requires advanced techniques and state-of-the-art machinery to machine it accurately. Our team of skilled machinists and engineers utilize the latest CNC technology, ensuring that every titanium part we produce meets the strictest aerospace standards. From critical engine components to structural parts, we have successfully machined a wide variety of titanium parts for the aerospace industry. Our portfolio includes intricate components that require micro-level precision and surface finishes that ensure optimal performance in the harshest environments. Each part is a testament to our commitment to quality and our ability to push the boundaries of what's possible in titanium machining. At the Cursor Group, we are not just machining parts, we are building the future of aerospace. If you have the titanium components that meet the high standards of precision and durability, contact us today and let's discuss how can we bring your project to life. Goodbye, thank you.